it's Kate with WTI. Are you looking for an easy way to add a little bedazzle to your outfit?
These tights are by DancMolly, and I have them here in the light blue color. I got them in the medium to extra large size, and I find that they fit well. They are actually pretty comfortable, which is amazing. And you can see they have these really fun rhinestone details all down the legs, and they also have the toes that are like socks. So I love that. I think that they go on real easy and they fit great and they look super, super cute on. That electric blue color is so fun while also being a little bit sheer because they're fishnet. And it just is the perfect thing to complete an outfit. I got these to wear to a concert. As you can see, they made my outfit all the more fun and fabulous and bright and shimmery. I think that they are just the perfect option.
Whether you have a fun party or event coming up, or you just want to add a little sparkle to every day, I highly recommend checking out these tights. They are so fun and so comfy, but that's just my point of view.